The last clothing item, this is set up because I just tried it on. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. For this video, I'm going to do another Stitch Fix review. I know I did one a month ago. It was kind of short because I was rushing it. For this one, I'm going to try to go into more details about the clothing, the brand, basically how I felt about this Stitch Fix that I got. So if you guys like these Stitch Fix videos, comment down below and let me know. I'm going to be doing Stitch Fix reviews once a month. I don't think I mentioned this, but I am an influencer for Stitch Fix. So I get free fix for this whole entire year. So if you use the link in my description, I will get a commission if you sign up with the link. And let me know how you guys prefer me doing these. If you guys want more details about the clothing, or where you guys like try-ons, or how to style my fixes, or whatever you guys want. Let's get started. Alright, so the first top I'm going to show you guys is this olive green top. It's a wrap top. There's some straps at the bottom to tie in the front, and you can also tie in the back as well. And this one, I wasn't really too fond of this one. It's a little tighter than I wanted it to be. I'm not really a fan of tight tops or low cut tops, so it was a little bit more low cut than I like. I don't really like wearing olive green tops, and I do love the material. It's soft and it feels great when I wear it. The brand is Ellie, and what is the price for this? They give you like an invoice of the pricing and stuff. So the top is about $34. I usually shop on a budget, and that's the thing I don't like about Stitch Fix, how it's a little expensive. It does make sense since they're brand names, so that's understandable. For $34, I'm not really loving it. Even if it's for like $8, I still wouldn't love it. It's not bad, it's just not really my style. But besides the fact that it's a little too tight than I wanted it to be, it did fit great. It wasn't really much of a problem with the fit, it's more so of the style. So next we're gonna move on to these pair of jeans that I got, and these are STS Blue. That's the brand, I believe. I've never heard of any of these brands that I got in this fix. And this one was about $59. So I would say that's probably the pricing. I guess it's a little expensive, but I've seen worse pricing for jeans. But it's not that bad. I don't really like the color, the wash of this. I prefer more either lighter denim or darker indigo. I don't have an example of, I guess, jeans I'm wearing. Well, it is kind of similar, but I don't know, something about this one I'm just not loving the way it looks. But I do love the fact that it has the raw edges on it, because I do love hems of raw edges. So I love that my stylist gave me these. Really cute. They probably saw my Instagram post where I was loving the raw edges from last time. And I do love the stress denim, but I'm not really a fan of the style of this dress. I don't really like the stress denim when it's like around my knee area, so I feel like it will just get bigger when I wear it more. But this one wasn't too bad. It did fit me good, so that was a plus. But one thing that I really did not like about this pair was that it's not high-waisted. It's more of a mid-waist kind of thing, and I really only like wearing high-waisted pants now. Shorts, pants, any kind of bottoms, I prefer wearing high-waisted. Especially when it comes to denim jeans, I love high-waisted. That's one of the reasons why I don't wear jeans anymore. Most of the jeans I wear are jeggings from Hollister, especially because they fit me a lot better, especially around the leg area, because I'm like really skinny when it comes to leg area. Most pair of jeans, they usually fit on me a little weird, and I can never find a pair that fits me like how it's supposed to fit. So I probably should mention that I shouldn't really want jeans to save them some time. But it wasn't bad. I did like it though. Oh, and it's a little distress on the pocket too. You can see. Didn't really notice that. That's cute. So the next item is this tank top, and it's a waist high button down top. It's really cute. I did like it. I normally don't wear tops like these. It was really interesting to see how it looked like on me, and I did like it. I do love button down tops and stripes, so that's a plus. The only thing that I didn't really like about it was the fact that it's a little longer than I like. I usually like wearing crop tops, as you can see, and I don't like shirts that go below my hip line unless it's like oversized. I usually like tops that hits like right below my waist, especially because I always wear high-waisted pants. But it did look cute when I tucked it in. It does have a little slit at the side, so it's easy to tuck it in, especially if you only want to tuck in like the front part or the back part. So I guess that's one thing I liked. It's scrunchy at the back, so it's easy to put on, and the straps are adjustable. So that's also a plus. And the other biggest thing I don't like about this top is the fact that it was see-through. I don't know if you could tell, but it is see-through. Oh, and the stripes has little details on there. I didn't even notice that. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but there's little details on the stripes. It looks like almost tribal design, but I did not notice that. I thought it was just regular stripes. So I guess this one wasn't the worst, but wasn't the best either. I did like it more than the olive top. The brand of this one is Alice Blue. Like I said, I've never heard of any of these brands before, which is one of the reasons why I love trying out Stitch Fix. So the pricing for this top was $42. It's a little bit more expensive than the olive top. The material isn't bad. It's not as soft as I like my tops to be. The last clothing item I'm going to show you guys are these Palazzo Pants. And it has little scallops at the top of the hem, the waist. And it's only on the front, so the back is elastic. So there's no zipper for this, or buttons. It's elastic. And the brand is Blue Pepper, blue without an E. So the pricing for this one is $44, so $2 more than a top. I do love the pattern on his pants. I do love polka dots, but the only thing that I didn't like about it was the fact that the waist was a little bit bigger. I mean, it's not too big. It's fine if I wear it, but it's a little bit loose. But that wasn't really the problem. It was more so the length of the pants itself. I am a short person, so my legs aren't that long, and so these pants was a little bit longer. I mean, I could easily like fix it and trim it down. I really can. The pant leg was a little bit wider than I usually wear. I never really wear pants that are that wide, but I think this item is probably my favorite from this fix. For this fix, I received 4 clothing items and a pair of shoes. And each fix you usually receive 5 pieces, not just clothing, like 5 pieces. And so this time I got 4 clothing items and 1 shoe. On the other ones I got all clothing. So they actually sent me a pair of shoes. I was so excited when I saw these. I did not expect them to send me a pair of shoes. This brand is Via Blue, and I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing that wrong. This color is really cute. I normally don't wear shoes that are nude like these, and it's a wedge heel. These platforms are really cute, and it's great for like summer clothing, especially if you're gonna wear like a sundress or any kind of dress. And it's like the perfect summer shoe, and I just love the blueness of their label right here. But anyways, so the thing that I love most about this is it has padding inside at the heel part. I mean, not the heel part, the toe part. I love shoes that has that. I mean, it has padding all over the insole. Oh, it does have it on the heel too. So I love shoes with padding, especially when it's heels, because you know, if you wear heels for so long, ugh, that is the worst ever. So that's one thing I like about it. But these are really cute, and I do like it. And the straps as well has something like padded at the back, so that would help the back of your ankles if you wear it for too long. These wedges have a lot of support, and that's like the first I've seen for wedges. The pricing for this is $119, and that's a little bit more than what I usually purchase shoes for. I don't really buy shoes that are over $30 unless it's like a brand that I've loved for so long and it's like a shoe that I really want. Like I did my Super Got sneakers. It was like 60 bucks. And I got it anyways. I'm kind of like limping because I have like the other side on right now. And it does have buckles right here. The plastic wrapping, it's still on. I would take it off, but I'm gonna return this, so I figured I should just leave it on. I believe it does have buckles. Yeah, I can see it kind of there. The buckles looks yellow. I think it's gold buckles. But this one's really cute, and I do really want to keep it, but it's $119, and it's a little bit more expensive than what I hoped it would be. I was not expecting it to be over $100. I don't really know much about this brand, so I'm gonna go check them out, see if they have any other shoes that are a little bit cheaper, because I really do love this pair. I do want to keep it. I'm kind of like debating if I should keep it, like what I did with my white skirt I got from Free People in my other Stitch Fix. If you saw my previous video, I was still debating if I want to keep that because it was so cute, but I ended up returning it because I was like, I'm probably never gonna wear it again. So I don't wear wedges much as I used to. I did wear a lot more often, but I do want to keep this pair. Probably not because it's $119. That's all I have for this Stitch Fix. I hope you guys liked it. What is my overall experience? When you receive your Stitch Fix, you have 3 days to return it from the day it's delivered to you. And you could extend the date but only up to a month. When you go and check out, tell them whether you want to keep the items or you want to buy them. There's feedback on each of the clothing. There's an overall experience thing. I actually said it was a 3 out of 5. And the only reason why I picked 3 out of 5 was because most of the clothing that I got wasn't really fit to my style. I didn't hate them, but I wasn't loving them. So it was in the middle, basically. The item that I loved the most was the shoes and the Palazzo Pants. I guess those were more fit for my style. I really did love working with this stylist. It was the same stylist as my previous fix, and so I kept her for this one because I really loved the items I got last time. But this time for my next month's fix, I'm gonna try a new stylist, so I can't wait to see what they're gonna have for me. I did update my style profile when I went to check out for this fix. I did kind of update a little bit with more details, but I think I should need to go back to my style profile and kind of go back and like mention stuff like I don't want jeans because I'm so picky when it comes to jeans. I think I need to go back and be more specific if possible, because I don't think I'm a picky person. Well, I guess maybe I can be. I mean, I'm open to all styles because my style is very versatile, but I am picky when it comes to certain clothes. Like I don't like tight clothing or tops that are too long, like I mentioned. So I guess I can be kind of picky when it comes to clothing style. And that's one of the reasons why I never tried out Stitch Fix, because I know I'm a person who kind of likes things a certain way. So it's easier if I just, you know, shop for myself. But this was a fun experience, and I can't wait to try out more Stitch Fixes. Because one of the reasons why I love Stitch Fix is because I know that they're gonna send me brands that I've never heard of before. That's a great way for me to like find new brands, because I mean I always shop at the same places all the time, and I always try to find different types of brands, but like I don't know how well the clothing is and how good it's gonna fit me. But this is one way to see how much I like those brands, and that's one of the reasons why I wanted to try Stitch Fix. I hope you guys liked this video. I really enjoyed doing this video and doing these Stitch Fix unboxing review stuff. So if you guys like these, let me know how you guys prefer me doing these. If you like the way I did this video, or if you prefer it more shorter like the one for last time. And stay tuned for my next Stitch Fix video. I have another fix that's supposed to be coming in 2 to 3 weeks according to my account. Stay tuned for my June fix, and bye.
Better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop.